Okay, so I got the Chuwen M. Basically, I bought it actually. So let's just unbox this. And this is the World Champions Cube and World Cup Holders Cube and ESR Holders Cube. So let's see the first impressions, actually the first turns for me. I'll be using this afterwards. So the shades are pretty okay. So my old main was the Vapor, mostly colors, and I wanted to Chuwen. This is not a bad cube at all. It's not a bad cube at all. Yeah. Let's test this. Okay, yeah, this is pretty fast. This is what I wanted. So, pretty big announcement. This is my main now. This is what I wanted actually. It's corner cutting. Okay, let's test it with the arms. This is pretty hot. This is pretty good. I think I know the reason why Martin could spam TPS on this, because this is pretty fast, and I don't think I'll need the lube to lube this, because anyways dry and it's too fast. I'll see through it, like I'll just set it up, but I would say out of the box, this is world class, it's for sure. I'll just test it a bit still. This is pretty good actually. I'm not that good in 2x2, but I have pretty okay experiences with 2x2. That was good. This will make me sub 3, yeah, for sure, maybe sub 2 also if I just start running ads. And a few AG, not a lot actually. Okay, so yeah, that's good. This is good for OH also if you want to try it. Nice cube actually.